If you are streaming on Twitch and you are already an affiliate or partner, you might be leaving money on the table if you're not running ads. Ads can be an important part of your monetization strategy, but only if you set them up correctly. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to enable ads on Twitch, choose the right settings, and make sure your audience stays engaged. The first step is to qualify for Twitch monetization. You must be an affiliate or partner to run ads. If you have already completed the onboarding process, you are already ready to activate ads. Step 2 is log in to your creator dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings and then Affiliate or Partner, depending on your status. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Ads. Step 3 is to set up your ad preferences. Twitch offers several options, including pre-roll ads that play before someone watches your stream and mid-roll ads that appear during your broadcast. You can choose how often these run by using the Ad Manager tool. Step 4 is Configure Ad Manager. This is Twitch's automated system that schedules and runs ads for you based on your settings. You can decide how often ads play, how long they last, and whether to show them during breaks or gameplay. Many streamers prefer running a short ad break every 30 to 60 minutes to minimize disruption. Step 5 is to add a snooze option for your viewers. The Ad Manager allows you to temporarily delay an ad if you are in the middle of a big gameplay moment or an important conversation. This helps you maintain viewer engagement while still meeting ad frequency goals. Step 6 is to monitor your ad performance. In your analytics section, check revenue and ad reports to see how much you are earning and how ads are affecting your viewer retention. If you notice a drop in viewership, consider adjusting your ad frequency or timing. Finally, remember that ads are just one part of your Twitch income. Combine them with subscriptions, bits, sponsorships, and merch sales for a more balanced revenue stream. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more Twitch tips and tricks, and I will see you guys in the next video.